Hello and welcome to my student. Today's lectures we have going to discuss the topic organic spectroscopy. In this topic now we are going to discuss some aromatic compounds which shows colored compounds and hence those color compounds which is present various types of chromophore. It means that such molecules which is present the type of transitions like pi to pi star transitions. In benzene ring, they require high energy in UV region because benzene is shows as a colorless. Here, the benzene is colorless, but nitrobenzene there will be presence of additional this nitro group act as a chromophore. This nitro group act as a chromophore. So these chromophore interactions extend the conjugations and they will show the pale yellow colors for these nitrobenzene. But in para-nitroanilines, it is shows it is a dark yellow, right? As compared to these nitrobenzenes and para-nitroanilines, the para-nitroanilines are dark yellow or deep yellow because it is more extended conjugation is observed due to the lone pair of this nitrogen. They participate in the conjugations with this benzene ring as well as this nitro group, and they will further increase the extended conjugations, and therefore para-nitroaniline they will show deep yellow color. Now we are going to discuss the new points. Mass spectroscopy. Similarly, the UV spectroscopy. In UV spectroscopy, we have see the various types of functional group we can study by using the ultraviolet spectroscopy or visible spectroscopy. Similarly, the mass spectroscopy are used mostly in organic compounds, can determine their molecular weight by the bombarding with high energy electron beam, and therefore the molecules get ionized and to get extensive fragmentations, which is positive ions having their mass to charge ratio. But you know that mass spectrum are as like a bar, like the plot showing that relative intensities of the signal at different mass to charge values, and this is called as mass spectrum. The different signals which is represented by in the form of bar, and this bar having a different height. Largest peak in the spectrum is called as a base peak, and they will show 100% intensity in this mass spectrum. Now next points, importance of molecular ion peak. You know that the impact of electrons on these neutral molecular ions, that time what happens, the molecule get lost the electrons and they will result the radical cation. Those radical cations will have the similar to mass number of these molecules. See here, this is a neutral molecules like this, capital M, that is the neutral molecules. On bombardment of these electrons, after bombardment to get a radical cation, and those radical cations will have the same molecular mass to the radical cation by losing 2 electrons, and these radical cations are called as the parent ions or the molecular ions. The molecular ions are obtained as like other examples. For example, this alkene on bombardment of electrons, high energy electrons, and to get such molecular ions by losing 2 electrons. Similarly, these carbonyl compounds, it also by passing high bombardment electron beam to get such types of molecular ions or the parent ion by losing 2 electrons. Other example like alcohols by bombarding electrons to get such types of parent ions or the molecular ions by losing 2 electrons. One more examples like aniline or these primary amines by passing these high bombardment electrons and to get such types of molecular ions or the parent ions by losing 2 electrons. And therefore, by bombarding the high energy electrons to these molecules and to get such types of molecular ion. The formation of such molecular ions by bombarding the electrons of lowest ionization potential, they remove the energy, and energy required depends on the types of electrons which is present in the molecules. So this order of the electrons can be there like lone pair electrons, energy is less than conjugated pi electrons, energy is less than non-conjugated pi is less than sigma. The base peak is not necessary to molecular ions which is represent the unfragmented molecules. You know that the molecular ions which are not the fragmented, it means non-fragmented ions, and therefore the molecular mass of these molecular ions is observed in the molecules or in the spectrum which is equal to the molecular weight of the original molecules. Why? Because it is non-fragmented molecules, and therefore location of molecular ion peak, which is very important to show the molar mass of organic molecules. Next point, base peak. These points which are very important, or they are asked to us in last exams. So highest peak in the mass spectrum is called as a base peak, or the highest intensity, like 100% intensity of the peak other relative to other peak is called as base peak. Now we have see isotopic peak. Isotopic peak means the peak or the most abundant isotope of the element is present in the spectrum, but the molecular ion can arise less abundant containing heavy isotope of one or more constituent atoms, and this peak is called as a isotopic peak, or height of this peak which are very small as compared to the base peak. And also it is observed that the such peak is observed in the mass spectrum is a cluster of peak is observed, cluster or the group of the peak is observed in the spectrum, but relative abundance of the parent molecular ions peak is greater than its isotopic peak. It means that height of isotopic peak is less than the molecular ion peak. But you know that the compound containing like chlorine, bromine, sulfur, they will show prominent isotopic peak, like the molecular ion peak, as there is large natural abundance of these three heavier isotope. It means that in bromo compounds, the two peaks are observed, like M+1 and M+2 peaks is formed as the ratio of 1:1. And in chloro compounds, they also form the two peaks, which is M+1 and M+2 in the ratio of 3:1. Now we are going to discuss the new points like the nitrogen rule. Nitrogen rule. The rules are state that if the compound containing the odd number of nitrogen atom, then its molecular ion will appear odd mass number. However, the compound contains even number of nitrogen atoms or no nitrogen atoms, then molecular ion peak appears even mass number. Or another types, compound containing the odd number of nitrogen atom, it means odd mass number, or even number of nitrogen atom or no nitrogen atoms, then the even mass number. For examples, these three molecules are given as like this is benzamide. This molecular weight is 1 to 1. They will have the odd number of nitrogen, that is a one nitrogen is present, so odd mass number. It is also one nitrogen atom is here, so odd mass number 93. But those molecules, that is M-dinitrobenzenes, they will show two nitrogen atoms. 2 means it is a even number of nitrogen atoms and hence even mass number. And therefore nitrogen rule state that if the odd number of nitrogen atoms, odd mass number, even number of nitrogen atom, even mass number. Next points, rule of 13. The rule of 13 are state that the formula of the compound is a multiple n of 13. Multiple n of 13 means the molar mass of CH plus a remainder R, and the formula can made as like CnH2n plus 1. If the heteroatom is present, then molecular formula can be adjusted as like if oxygen atom is there, then subtract CH4 and add oxygens. If nitrogen is present, then subtract CH2 and add nitrogen. If chloro is there, to subtract C2H11 and add chloro. So these tables we are used in place of these three items. Now VRC is here. This is a benzamide. It observed the molecular ion peak having 1 to 1 and two other peak 77 and 44. By using this formula we can write, so this molecular weight is 1 to 1 divided by 13. 13 is a carbon number of 13, carbon 13. So after dividation, this 1 to 1 upon 13 to get 9, right? Then after calculations like this, the 1 to 1 upon 13 is equal to, right, 9. And then after 13 into 9, like this is 13 into 9 is equal to how much? 13 into 9. 1 minute. 13 into 9 is equal to 1 1 7, right? 1 1 7, and then after we can add this r. This is the formula, r 4, right? So total it's 1 2 1, and therefore we can make the formula by using this carbon 13. Like the predict, the formula is C9, right? Cn, n is this, nr, C9 H9 plus this r is a 4. So formula can be made as C9H13. The odd mass and odd hydrogen atoms are here. Odd mass and odd hydrogen atoms, they provide contain nitrogen atoms, right? Odd mass, it is a odd mass like a 1 to 1. It is a odd mass numbers, and it is a odd hydrogens, right? Therefore it contains nitrogen atoms, and then formula can made as by adding the nitrogen and subtracting the CH2, right? It is odd hydrogen, so subtract CH2. So can made the formula is after subtracting C8H11 then N. This is a correct molecular formula for those molar mass. Next, if peak is obtained as a 77, it suggests that it is present the C6H5 molecules. Other peak observed as a 44 for examples, then 44 divided by 13, then is equal to 3, right? 44 divided by 13, then is equal to 3, and then 3 into 13 is equal to how much? 39, right? And then 39 plus how much equal to 44? So 39 plus 4, sorry, 5 equal to 44, right? And therefore we can make the formula as according to rule of 13 is equal to, it is the r values and it is a n values, right? So C3, then S3 and plus 5, right? So C3 S3 5, so C3H8 hydrogen becomes even number, and therefore the molecules contain nitrogen atoms, hence the formula becomes as by subtracting C2H6N, it contains carbonyl from IR, hence we add oxygen atom and subtract CH4. Then formula can becomes as like C2H6N plus oxygen and minus CH4, right? Minus CH4. Then the molecular formula becomes whatever, CH2NO. Then molecular can be will be like addition of this C6H5 plus CH2NO. Then molecular formula will be C7H7NO, right? Next examples we have C is here. The molecular ion peak appears at 4144 and due to the molecular formula according to the rule of 13, right? Then we can divide this, sorry, it is 140. So 140 by divided by 13, then equal to right? 140 upon 30 equal to how much? 10, right? 140 divided by 13 equal to 10 point something, right? And this is a n, 10 is the n, and then this 10 into 13 is equal to how much? 130, right? 130, and therefore this 130 plus how much to gives 140, 10, right, is equal to 140, and therefore what is the value of n? N is equal to 10. What is the value of r? R also 10, and therefore molecular formula can made as the CnH2n plus R. So N is 10, H2HN, HN means also 10. So C10 H10 plus R is 10. So 10. So formula is C10H20. Therefore, the molecule containing oxygen atoms, then we add oxygen atom and subtract CH4, right? Then molecules contain oxygen atoms, then we add oxygen atom and subtract CH4. Therefore, molecular formula becomes, right, add oxygens and minus CH4. So formula becomes CH4 minus, so C9H16O. So this is a correct molecular formula, right? Thank you.